Ahoy hoy, thank you for joining me again on the catch up. This is days 16 to 20 I think. Most of all, thank you for your feedback. We'll be running and trying out some of those things during this video. So for example, the first bit of feedback was, can't you smarten yourself up? You look like a tramp. Well, yes, I can. Right, so there we are. Nice top, nice trousers, wear some shoes. Now there we are, sandals and socks. Nobody wants to see your feet. Sort out your hair. Trim your beard, give it the line to make it look like you've got a jawline. Deal with the grey stuff in your beard, you look very old. Well, I've done that too. So hopefully that makes things better for you. It's my mother, isn't it? Yes, those have come from my mother. Thank you, Mother. So, other things that people have complained about. Sound. Right, let's get that one sorted. Everything's plugged in. Hopefully that's a lot better now. And there'll be no more umming and faring and strange echoes around the place. So that's a Rode mic. Admittedly, it should be stuck on top of the camera, but with the strange reverberation in this room, it's probably better having it close to my face. Next up, lighting. Right, hold on. Lighting sorted, hopefully. Get rid of those dumb glasses. You look like you got them from the NHS in 1980. I think that's my mother again, but tough, I like them, and it helps me see. Turn your phone off, which is quite a good one. Sorry about that. Tidy up your amps, that's been done. What have I been up to? Right. Frets, basically, and you're going to see the fastest video I've ever uploaded. That's because this job took about 3.5, 4 days. It bored the life out of me. It didn't bore me, it was quite enjoyable, but it is a very repetitive job. Roll VT and I'll see you at the end. welcome back. That was fun. That was hours and hours and hours of footage really sped up there. I was tempted to use a sort of Benny Hill type piece of music to make it seem even faster, but that sucks. What's next is colouring the guitar. Now, interestingly, I've partially finished it, but I'm going to keep it as a big surprise to the end, and I'm just going to keep you up to date with the various other little bits that are going on. So it's going to be how I finish it. I haven't decided yet. Am I going to colour the neck? Probably. I have water slide decals, which are going to work. Redesign the logo so it does work. Bit more sanding on the neck as always. It's going to be amazing. It really is. It's going to look... No, I'm going to keep it as a surprise. But anyway, next time, I look forward to seeing you. I've decided every Friday, midday, is probably... I haven't decided midday or 5 p.m. Is going to be the release of another Gavin's Grotty Guitars. I've got too many guitars. They're all horrible when I bought them. But I've come to love each and every single one of them. So we're going to go through those. Other people do reviews of lovely guitars. I don't have lovely... I have some lovely guitars. I have cheap guitars mainly, and I make them good. There's a very little difference between a very expensive, nice guitar and an affordable guitar that you've made nice. I can hope to show you some of the pluses of more affordable, older guitars. Anyway, that's every Friday. I'm hoping to update this in between. It'll be somewhere on Instagram, somewhere on YouTube. Follow me, click the button, subscribe to make sure you get the updates. When I get to show the colouring of this guitar is going to be the important day, because it is stunning. It is absolutely mind-blowing. It's not what you thought. I can't say anymore. Right, okay, off with the microphone. Off with these clothes as well. I need to get back out in the garage and sand, and this is not the uniform for it. Toodle Pip.